Hello everyone. Welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Horn, Invention Create Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today, we give lesson Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. The application knowledge tactic for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions is consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. Participate in for learn and obtain effect and so on. We are put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read it carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we give this action, hand action, leg action, and connect action. So many people ask how many quantity we need to do for each day. Good question. We give the correct answer is 100 times. Shall we do more? No. You only can do 100 times each day. Enough. No more. The reason is after our field decade, deeply research and back practice, we got finally conclusion 100 times. Enough, no more. Because if you do more for one action, maybe will hurt your body inside some parts and either outdoors. That's what we don't want, right? So just enjoy to keep 100 times each day. For that action, enough. Shall we do next? Of course, especially for beginner. You just join. You need to adjust your action and repeat and follow teacher do every action so you can do less. However, we want your lead increase. When you get professional, you must to do 100 times for each day in order to protect your health. Before we do the 100 times, couple things, couple points, we know everybody must be carefully. Number one, the feet touch floor lightly. Cannot make any sound. Number two, that's action is just in the original. You cannot make space, follow or backward. No, just original. So the action keep just original. Cannot move and back. Number three, when you step out, wait, that's like only big toe touch floor. cannot make the whole feet, whole toe touch floor. Only one big toe touch floor, and the weight still hold that leg. And then move back. The two legs stand for T-shape. That's good for standing. And then move weight to that leg. That leg also is big toe touch floor, and the weight still that leg hold. T-shape. Two legs between two legs. No distance, as close as possible. And keep your body always upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. The hand start, that hand as close as body. That's start for shoulder height. You cannot from here. No, start shoulder height. And then little by little raise. Okay, we also need a count. Need to choose two different language. We choose English and Han. Somebody say, excuse me, I cannot speak Han. That's math. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you come from Germany. You can use the English and German language. The two different language to count. Somebody also asked why we need to choose two different language to count. Good question. The reason is we need to protect our check and lung. Check, lung, and they also need exercise. Far away bronchitis, pandemic, and lung disease, and either lung cancer, and many diseases. So we need two different language to count. Of course, eyes look straight, smiling face, hand, head, think, how can make a correct action. Okay, now we do. 1 day quantity, 100 times. So everybody follow me to do. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 6, 6, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 7 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 9 9 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 10 10 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 Very good. Do the action, okay? You cannot make it forward or backward, just in the original. Yes. And the 2 legs as close as possible. Cannot make distance. And the 2 legs must keep T-shirt for good stand. Somebody ask, the hand rate, how can control? Little high, little high, little high, little high. That's no big deal. And as soon as when you do start, it may be very difficult for your hand. However, when you do many times, you can control it. Yeah, because that's not big trouble, because everybody can do normally, okay? And by one, you can do right way. So don't worry, you're smart, absolutely. You can do correct, that's action. Just need time. Slowly, action slowly. Don't make it fast, slowly. And every action make a correct position. And then after few months, of course you can do correct and protect your health. Learn correct action, master correct action. And everything you can discover, change to easy, protect your health. At home, you can do every day. Spend your little time, but you got healthy, far away from pandemic and bronchitis and many diseases. Of course, you can happy enjoy your life